In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Docs into your Google Sites. This process is incredibly handy when you want to share documents, reports, or any content you've composed with your audience directly via a Google site. It's quick, easy, and ensures that your information is all in one accessible place. Let's get started. First, you're going to navigate to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, simply type Google Sites and press Enter. It should be the first result. Click on it and you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Google Sites. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account credentials. This will ensure you have access to all your documents and sites associated with your account. Now that you're on Google Sites, take a moment to visualize what you want your site to accomplish. This planning stage can help guide the choices you'll make throughout the design process, ensuring you create a useful and appealing site for your audience. With your vision in mind, you'll want to add content to your site. In the top right corner, you'll find the Insert button, a critical feature on Google Sites. Click on it and a menu will expand. Here you'll see a list of various options that you can add to your site. Since our focus today is on incorporating Google Docs, you're going to select Docs from this menu. By clicking on Docs, Google Sites will present you with a list of all the Google Docs you have created or have access to. Look through this list to find the specific document you want to embed onto your site. If you have numerous documents, you can use the search feature at the top of this section to quickly locate your doc. Once you've identified the correct document, you have two options. You can either click the Insert button that appears, or, if you prefer, double-click the document itself. Either action will integrate the selected Google Doc into your current Google site. And just like that, you're done. The document will be embedded within your site, allowing anyone who visits to view the content directly through the web page. This integration not only saves time, but also maintains consistency across your digital platforms as the document updates automatically. This method is beneficial for educators, businesses, or anyone looking to present organized, accessible content without navigating away from their main site. The seamless nature of Google's ecosystem means no additional plugins or coding are required, making it straightforward even if you don't have technical skills. Thank you for following along. With these simple steps, your Google Sites become more dynamic and informative, perfectly suited to engage and inform your audience effectively.